You know what? I'm gonna say it. First of all, don't mind my fucking language right now, because I had a few people have the nerve to say that I'm stupid for coming out in this fucking rain. The first thing I'm gonna say right now is y'all run away from shit that makes you uncomfortable. And then y'all have the nerve to try to tell somebody else that they're stupid for putting themselves through it. The only thing I have to say about that is before this technology, before this extra comfort, before this instant gratification, y'all, before all this bullshit, this is what we had to do on a normal basis back in the day. The reason why a lot of y'all, excuse my French, are exactly what y'all call me, pussies, is because you've gotten comfortable with being comfortable. So when times get hard, when the rain starts, y'all want to hide. Y'all want to seek shelter. That's not me. Adam, you need to slow down. Adam, you're doing too much. Adam, you need to take a break. Adam, be careful. Stop telling me what I need to do. If y'all can't handle the shit, can I put myself through, all right? Long story short, is I'm the way that I am because I invite discomfort. I invite discomfort so much that I started getting comfortable. And once I'm comfortable with that, I get uncomfortable again. That's what I do. I get comfortable with being uncomfortable to the point that people call me crazy, stupid, in survival mode. I'm not in survival mode. I will say I got here because of survival mode, but I do apologize. No, I don't apologize because my life was a lot harder than a lot of y'all think I've been through. Discomfort came to me uninvited, and it continued to come to me uninvited to the point that now I'm like, well, shit. If I'm gonna have to go through the pain, if I'm gonna have to go through the rain, I'm gonna come with a smile on my face. I'm not in survival mode. I'm not stupid. I'm not doing too much. I'm doing what I have to do. I didn't get this far because I wanted to. Adam, how did you get out of bed? Adam, how did you get out of that wheelchair? Adam, how did you start walking 7 weeks after you broke both your legs? I don't give myself no kind of kudos for me doing that. Because I did what I had to do. Period. So before y'all want to come here and tell me how to live my life, tell me how to find peace, tell me how to find happiness, come out here in the rain with me and tell me if you're as happy as I am being uncomfortable. Until then, don't tell me how to live life. If anything, y'all should be learning from me.